Welcome back to Math Time with Professor Prime, and I am your host, as always, Professor Prime. So, in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about what to do after you take that test. So good, bad, or okay. First things first, if it's an option, collect that test. Two major reasons. A, it could serve as future study material. B, you want to make sure the grade that you receive is accurate. And you want to look through things and A, look for your mistakes, but B, also make sure things are added up. You never know. None of us are perfect, so it doesn't hurt to look through those things and just make sure everything is it should be. That being said, what about the other parts? So, whether you did well, whether you did okay, whether you did badly, your exam tells you something and where you need to improve. And if you're already good, what you know. And that is important in going forward, using that and combining it with what you don't know to keep on getting better. So, I would think looking over the test is very, very key. Figuring out if you did go wrong, where did you go wrong? Um, and I talked about it like in another video, but the idea is like when you got an answer wrong, was it wrong because you made an arithmetic mistake? Was it wrong because you didn't get the concept? Was it wrong because you didn't read the question right? Or was it wrong because you didn't organize things quite well enough? Because the thing is, right, sometimes that's an issue or related to that same thing is so maybe it's not organized enough and maybe you said the wrong thing. You might have meant something completely different, but you might have said something wrong on paper. Because remember, everything you say on that paper is a statement. And you have to be clear, you have to be thorough. It's no different than you writing the paper. It's the exact same thing, even if it feels like it. So all those things I think are important when you get that test back. Making sure that things are accurate and seeing what you can learn from that test, and also using that as future study material. Because even if you know everything, well, why did you know everything? Does it check out? And when you got something correct, did you say something in a clear way though? Because someone might have seen you get something correct, and it's like, okay, that's fine. I get where they were going, and you want to make sure though, is that clear? If I had to talk to someone else about it, because that would make you even better for the next test. So I always think there's something to learn and something to be gained. So that's how I feel about what you should do after a test. So I hope that was helpful. And Professor Prime out. Either way, same person. It's me. See you all in the next one.